Yo, Tito stream. Hey, what's good, Joe? Hey, check it out, man. I actually got a special video today, man. I'm about to do a review of the Omega box, which I have been a subscribed member of for like really since COVID started. So like since March last year, man. So for those who don't know, I am a member of Omega Psi Phi Fraternity Incorporated. I crossed in spring 2014 with the Zaza chapter, which is South Carolina State University. You know how we do, man. 187, shout out Zaza. But I actually just got this box, man, and since I've been doing a lot with the YouTube channel and stuff like that, this is just another way to kind of incorporate Omega. You've kind of seen, well, if you got a good eye, you've seen that in some of my videos I have, you know, Omega gear on or lying around, man, because I always shout out the bros, man. I don't make a big deal out of it, man, because I'm too many years in the game. But nah, man, this is just a video I want to make, man, because for me, Omega box has been kind of my way to get new gear and nalia since, you know, people really haven't been able to get out, and there hasn't really been a whole lot of events to go to and stuff like that. Like, you know, if you want to buy some stuff, you know, you might be able to find it, but there wasn't really there wasn't really, for me at least, like a pressing matter to go out and get stuff. So since I subscribe to the Omega box, and it's not like a sponsored video, but I just like Omega box. It's actually called Omega Crate. But yeah, basically, bro, they've been feeding me Nalia and good stuff this entire time, and I've been set. Y'all have seen some of this. Y'all have seen, like, for example, this hat. I've worn it in a previous video. This is fresh, bro. Especially because me, I love the gold. You know, everybody rock the purple, bro. But if I had a choice, I'm probably rocking the gold, white, black before I rock the purple. Because, bro, I always just got to be a contrarian. I got to be different from everybody else, bro. You know, I think it was last month that they sent this nice cardigan. I ain't really unfolded it yet, man, because, you know, it's like springtime. So, it's like springtime, so that cardigan is going to be a little hot for, you know, this time. But, man, when time comes, man, I'm definitely going to break that thing out, bro. But the stuff that they got is nice quality, man. It's good gear. Here, I'll give y'all a better look of, like, that, for example. But again, I ain't gonna do too much folding on it. Got good stitching on it and everything. Let me see if I can. Let me see how much I can unravel it. Well, I ain't gonna do too much, you know. Here, I really don't want to unravel and unfold the whole thing. But I see some pretty good detail. Where's this? Hold on, I'm trying to see this. Dang, it's like, bruh, it's because the video is faced different from the... Here we go, my bad. This is nice. I didn't even peep this till just now, bruh. Wow. This patch is hard, bruh. Look at the goddamn, with the Latin on it. Sheesh, that's not Latin, that's Greek. It's just undercase, so I immediately recognize it. All right, anyway. Okay. Yo. So, anyway, this is this month's box for the month of April. So these guys don't really only send clothes, so they send like accessories and stuff like that. So like some of the first things I ever got was like a passport book or a money clip or even like a wristband or socks. The socks were hard. But it's like they definitely send different things that you can use as well as wear. And like me, I like stuff that you could actually use, bro. Because, you know, like, so like for Omega, for example, bro, like, you know, we're a secret organization, bro. And so it's like you don't even be feeling like wearing, you know, your stuff all blaring out all the time. Like if you go to an event, yeah, that might be your steez, bro, but a lot of the time, man, you want to just rock something subtly or, you know, just be chill about it, man. So, yes, this is the Omega Crate, man. Y'all saw the kind of outside wrapping, the special delivery. That was hard, man. But this is kind of the box. I definitely I definitely like their packaging and stuff like that, man. For the brothers of Omega Psi Phi fraternity. All right, now if you ain't Omega, I ain't getting this for an Omega, man. Don't be trying to sneak. Don't be trying to sneak, man. I know how y'all do. This is a exclusive organization now. Shoot, it's for top tiers only. But hey, all right. Let's go ahead and check out what is in the box. So you gonna see, first thing, you know, every box got like every box got its own little message delivered to the recipient. And actually, bro, I'm gonna say one thing that I particularly like about Omega Crate is that it's officially licensed by Omega Psi Phi. So I know everybody has like their, you know, everyone has crates, and you can probably find like, you know, a merch dealer who makes Omega crates or boxes or subscription services, man. But I like official stuff if I can get it, man. And so this is like straight from, this is officially licensed by Omega Psi Phi, man. So that by itself gives it a level of authenticity. Oh, hold on, bruh. Yo, dog, before I made this video, I was like, bruh, I'm going to tell them what I want it to be. But then I was like, nah, because what if it's not that and it's like something totally different? Then that's going to be like kind of weird. Bruh. All right. My favorite, like, overwear, like something that you throw on, bruh, I like windbreakers, bro. They really don't make enough 5 windbreakers. Like, bro, when I drop the K6 windbreakers, bro, them shits are gonna be hard. But, bro, they don't make enough windbreakers, bro. And so I always be wanting a 5 Omega windbreaker that nobody got. And oh my gosh, bro, I just opened this box. Yo, what? I was just saying, bro, what if they sent a windbreaker? Oh man, dog. Hold up, bro. I gotta open this up, man. What the? Bro, that's so crazy. I was literally like, bro, I want a windbreaker, but I'm not even gonna say nothing because it might be something different or something. Oh man, yo, hold on a second, bro. What? This is hard. Oh, hold up, bro. They're tripping. Hold on a second. Man, I was just saying, bro, they need to drop a goddamn windbreaker with a hood on. Son. Son, what, bro? No way. Look at this. No way, bro. I literally was like, dude, they need to drop a windbreaker, man. Yes, sir. What? Oh, this is crazy, bro. And it got the, hold on, I can't. What, man? Yeah. Yeah, man. So this week, it was only a singular item, man. So sometimes they'll send you like 3 accessories or something like that, bro. But I'm loving the colors on these, bro. Yeah. I was just saying, bro, I wanted a windbreaker, bro. That's nice, dog. Yes, sir, bro. You know what, man? I should have just leaned in. I should have just leaned in and said, hey, bro, I feel like they're gonna drop us a windbreaker, bro. Cause that's what I was feeling like, man. My hair is crazy today, bro. Wow. All right, man. Shout out to y'all boys, bro. So, yo, we got the windbreaker. We got the windbreaker this month, man. This is hard, and it's actually, bro, I don't even know if y'all can hear the wind because I haven't read this video back, man. But it's actually windy literally right now, bro. So this is something that you could wear, like, now. Man, I like the colors on this, bro. Hey, dog. That's actually so fire, bro. I'm extra excited because I was literally saying, bro, I wish they would drop a windbreaker out there on Omega Crate. I was just saying that, bro, but I was scared to say it. Wow, man. Okay, bro. Yo, I'm gonna try to do this every month, bro. You know what I'm saying? Whew, this thing look hard with the Kenner 6, bro. Oh man, yeah. This is it. Y'all gonna see me wearing this for another video pretty soon, bro. I can't lie. Yeah. Yeah, bro. This is it. But I'm actually drop this every month, bro, because the Omega box comes through around the end of every month, bro. So I just want to do a quick review. Shout out to my boys. Like I said, bro, it's not a sponsored video or anything, man. I just love Omega Sci-Fi, and Omega Crate has held me down, and I want to show them. I want to show them love. I mean, thanks to them, bro, I got tons of gear. I got tons of gear, bro, that my LBs don't got, and I ain't seen nobody else with. Sorry, bro. That's just what it is. When I graduated, I gave all of my stuff to my Neos, because I had like 2 or 3 lines of Neos, and I really gave all my stuff to my Neos, bro. And I always say, well, shoot, I'm gonna just get some more stuff later. And so this is kind of how I've been able to kind of recoup some of the stuff that I gifted away, man. So and even with this, bro, it's like you're gonna get a box every month. Not everything. You'll appreciate everything, but not everything you're gonna need. So I mean, like for example, like when they sent the Father's Day box, you know, a lot of stuff said Father's Day on it, but I'm not a father, so you know, like I'm not gonna wear it that much. And so you can gift this stuff to your Neos. Like, bro, if you're a bro who is in the loop or out of the loop, or know somebody who is about to cross, or know somebody who's deserving of a good gift, like, bro, you can either gift them a subscription to Omega Box. I think they have like 1 month, they got 3 months, they got 12 months. You could send them some of the stuff that you don't use out of the box, man. You know, so you have a constant supply of stuff for you, stuff to give, and you know, just stuff to have, man. And I don't think they reproduce a lot of this stuff to my knowledge, man. So shoot, you got what you got, man. And that's what and that's what it is, man. So I'll kind of link the Omega Crate in the I'll link the Omega Crate in the description, man. But honestly, bro, this windbreaker hard. Y'all gonna see me wearing this, bro. I might wear this to homecoming, bro, whenever homecoming opens back up, bro. Damn, this is hard, bro. I love windbreakers. I really do, bro. I'm gonna drop the K6 windbreakers too, bro. I'm gonna have one that's like, it's gonna be like light blue, bro, or like a crazy color that's not that don't make sense. But anyway, man. Hey, bro, I just wanted to do a quick video for y'all, man. Do this review and unboxing, bro. But shout out, man. Much love. All right.